If you are an international student or professional looking to gain practical experience in the United States, the J-1 visa program might be the perfect opportunity for you. The J-1 visa is a non-immigrant visa that allows you to participate in internships or training programs with US companies, organizations, and institutions. In this video, we'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to apply for a J-1 visa. Step 1. Find a J-1 sponsor. The first step in applying for a J-1 visa is to find a sponsor. Your sponsor is the organization that will support and guide you throughout your J-1 experience. There are a variety of sponsors available, including universities, research institutions, and private companies. To find a sponsor, you can use the Department of State sponsor search tool or work with a J-1 visa agency. Step 2. Choose a J-1 program. Once you have found a sponsor, you will need to choose a J-1 program that matches your interests and goals. There are several J-1 programs available, including internships, traineeships, and research scholar programs. You should select a program that is relevant to your field of study or career aspirations. Step 3. Complete the J-1 application. After you have chosen a program, you will need to complete the J-1 application. This will include providing personal information, academic transcripts, and a statement of purpose. You will also need to provide proof of English proficiency, either through an exam or a letter from your university. Step 4. Obtain a DS-2019 form. Once your application is approved, your sponsor will provide you with a DS-2019 form. This form is necessary to apply for a J-1 visa at a US embassy or consulate. The DS-2019 form will include your program information, sponsor information, and program start and end dates. Step 5. Schedule a visa interview. After you receive your DS-2019 form, you will need to schedule a visa interview at a US embassy or consulate. During the interview, a consular officer will ask you questions about your program, your sponsor, and your personal background. You should be prepared to provide any necessary documents, such as financial statements or proof of ties to your home country. Step 6. Pay the visa application fee. Before your interview, you will need to pay the J-1 visa application fee. The fee varies depending on your country of origin and the type of program you are participating in. You can pay the fee online or at a designated bank. Step 7. Attend the visa interview. On the day of your interview, make sure to arrive early and bring all necessary documents. During the interview, answer all questions truthfully and provide any additional information requested by the consular officer. If your visa is approved, the consular officer will provide you with instructions on how to pick up your visa. Obtaining a J-1 visa can be a great opportunity to gain valuable experience and cultural exchange in the United States. By following these steps and working with your sponsor and J-1 visa agency, you can successfully apply for and receive a J-1 visa. Good luck on your journey. For more details on this topic, make sure to check out the video description below. Like, share, and subscribe to Study Metro for more awesome content.